Preso verde, this is the mother plant, and look how different this propagation looks. I'll show you. Look at this leaf. Look at this leaf. This is not the mother plant, but it's growing so big. And also, this is the propagation of green dragon, and it's showing, I don't know what it is, variegation? What it is? What is this thing? I haven't seen this thing on the mother plant. I'm listening to a very chill song right now. Well, I'll show you, wait. So when the first time the song came, I was too small. I don't even remember. So this is Pehla Nasha. Come on, focus. This is the 2.0 version. I don't remember the first version because I was way too small. But it's such a nice song. It's on loop right now. I have this habit of rinsing my hands 10 times. It's such a nice vibe. And this birkin, it is pushing out new leaf. It was a fuller plant. It is pushing out new leaf. Oh, root rot. That's why I thought something is wrong. I need to add more perlite, I guess. Oh, nice. Then comes my Xanadu. I have another one. Oh, what is this? Which is... Oh, there's another plant. Oh no, it's the same plant. I think it's trying to divide. Oh, look at the roots. There we go. This is Ring of Fire, which is like dead almost. That's why I love clear cups. Such a nice green dragon. How fuller this looks. And this is how it looks. There's space for more, like 3 or 2 can come. I'll figure it out later on. It's so light. I absolutely love it. Pew pew pew. And because there's space, I will be potting my Bilatii. This is such a nice kid kind of a plant. I love it. I think it's enough. Otherwise it will become really messy. But there's still space. We'll see. We have just started with the ear. It looks so nice. Like you can keep it on central table or wherever you will get light or artificial light, or in your room under a bulb. I wish I had like a bulb over here on my table in the corner. Anyways, I want to grow plants with more sustainability. That's why I just like sometimes it doesn't make sense to grow plants under light unless you have weather issues, which again is an issue for me, but देखते हैं यार क्या होता है आगे.